Are you tired of manually managing subscriptions and chasing down payment? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate recurring payments with Chargebee, the powerful subscription management platform that makes handling invoices, customer retention, and revenue growth effortless. Whether you are running a SaaS business, membership site, or a digital product, Chargebee has got you covered. Let's dive in.
Chargebee is a subscription management platform to maximize growth. Let's explore their different range of products. When you move to products, they have products for product catalog, usage-based pricing, trial and self-serve. As a SaaS business, you can offer trial and self-serve. You can use their products. They also have products for checkout, subscription management, entitlement, payment re-entries, and collection. These are different products that Chargebee has, and you can integrate with your system. You can integrate this product with your SaaS businesses or any business you are offering that Chargebee can offer solutions for. They also have products for reporting and analytics. So for the sake of this video, we are covering subscription management. Let's click on subscription management. On subscription management, you see the subscription management platform for maximizing growth. You can choose to schedule a demo or sign up free. So let's click on sign up free. When you select sign up free, you follow the onboarding process, which requires you to give them your first name, your business email, your phone number, and you click on complete sign up once you are done. Once you do this, it will take you to a page like this, which is your Chargebee dashboard. Your Chargebee dashboard to do a lot of things. From this dashboard, you can do a lot of integration. You can set up subscription management. You can set up automated recurring payment or subscription payment for your business. So how can you set up this subscription payment? The first thing you need to do is to create a product. So let's say we want to create a product. I will go to my Calendly now and use my Calendly plan. Okay. So let's just use the information on this Calendly as a subscription product we are offering. So let me go back to this. The first thing you need to do is to create a product. So you move to product catalogs, you select this drop down, and you click on product families. You create product families. So let's create product family. Then what's our product family? We will say done for you art. I'll select done for you art. Once I do done for you art, I'll click on create to create a product family. That's the first step. Once you click on create. It's going to create our product family for us. The next thing you need to do is to click on this three dot here. Select this three dot now and create a plan on your product family. Create a plan on your product family. So let's click on create a plan, which is so we have selected automatically. When you are creating a plan under your product family will be selected, which is done for you art. Then you can give it internal names. Internal names should be done for you art as done for you art. Then then the description, let's come here for the description. I'll copy this description here, paste the description in here. Then I'll move down a bit, come to unit of price. When you come to unit of price, the instruction here means specify the type of quantity. For example, if planned price is $10 and agent is the unit of measure, it will be displayed as $10/agent. So for each section here, this strategic marketing section here it is cost $350. So I will say $350 slash strategic marketing section, something like this. So once you do this, the next thing you need to do is to come to this customer facing info. If you want to display in self-serve portal, you select it, and also display in checkout, you select this. And if you don't want this, you untick it. But for me, I will leave this as it is. If you have a thank you page, right? If you have a thank you page that you want people to be redirected to once they subscribe to your subscription and make payment, you can paste the thank you page here. I don't have any thank you page, so I'm going to leave this the way it is. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on create plan. I'm going to click on create. So map only 30 characters. So let me just leave this. This is long. Let me just leave this as section, right? Then I'll click on create plan again. It's going to play. Can you see my plan is created successfully now? So the next thing I need to do is to set a price. So you move under pricing. If your subscription plan is daily, you set daily price. If it is weekly, if you want your customers to pay for this weekly, you set the weekly price. If you want monthly, you set the monthly price. If you want yearly, you set the yearly price. So for the sake of this video, I'm setting it as monthly. So it's going to select my done for you plan automatically because I'm creating a pricing model over the plan I've created. Then if it is you come to pricing model, which is flat fee, or if you want to collect flat fee per unit, tiered, volume, step. So for the sake of this one, I'm going to select flat fee, which is this. Then for the flat fee is $350. And billing cycle, if I come to billing cycle, choose if you would like this plan to be billed forever or for a fixed period. If you have a fixed period that you want this to be, if it is for 6 months, just put fixed 6 because 6 is 6 months. And you come down, customer facing information. You can do this and select show description on invoice. The invoice that is going to be sent to them, you can put customer saving information. So all I do is that I can say following this strategy, you will receive an action plan. So if this is what I want to do, I will paste this here. The invoice notes, if you want to put invoice notes, you put it there, and that's all. The next thing you need to do is to just click on create. After you are created, you fill in everything here. You've selected the billing cycle, you've selected the pricing model, and you filled everything here. All you just need to do is to click on create. Once you select create, the plan price point is now created successfully. It means we've done 3 things now to create a subscription payment on Chargebee. The first thing we did was to create product family. When we created product family, we built a plan on the product family. And after we built a plan, the next thing we did was to set up pricing for it. Then the next thing we will do is to now set up the subscription. So let's move to subscription here and now create the subscription. So once you go to subscription, you select create subscription. So if you have the customer on your Chargebee account already, the customers will appear here. But the customers you are sending this subscription to, if they are not in your Chargebee account already, what you will do is to add the customer to your Chargebee account or to the subscription plan you are about to create. So let's click on create new customer. So we are adding this now. Then I'll do email ID. Let me put my email address. You put the email ID of the customer, you put their name, their first name, and if it is a company, you put the company name there. All you just need to do, if you want to add team members or whom you would like to send invoice, payment, or subscription related emails to, you can do that. You can, so under language, you select the language, which is English language, and auto collection. This is very, very important. Auto collection lets you automatically attempt to charge a customer's payment method whenever an invoice is created. You select this and you come to billing address. All you just need to do is to type in their billing address there, and you put the billing address there, and you put their first name, their last name. If they have a company, you put the company there, you put the company phone number, and fill all these things. So that's how you can add a customer. The next thing you do is to click on create. It's going to create a customer for you. Can you see the customer is created successfully? So once the customer is created successfully, then we will now create the subscription. So the next thing we'll do is to go back to subscription. Once you go back to subscription, you select create subscription again, and you add the customer. Add the customer. Once you add the customer, then you can see that automatically we now have our product family appear here. So if you have a lot of product family, you need to select the product family you are creating this subscription plan for in the drop down. So, but we have already created done for you product family. So we'll select done for you. Yeah. And the next thing you do is to get started by adding a plan. We've created a plan, we'll add a plan. So our plan is done for you. Then, which is monthly, the plan, everything is been created. Under done for you, we've created pricing. We've created pricing, which we've set up already. All I just need to do is to click on add, because I've set up everything already. Can you see right now? Charge immediately. Subscription starts immediately. The next invoice of 300 will be raised on 22 of May at this time. And you can see the breakdown. If you select this breakdown, you see the breakdown. All I just need to do now is to come to billing info. If I want this to start immediately, then I can do it. If you want to choose a date, you can come to this place and select choose a date, right? Once you select choose a date, if you select this date now, we can say we want this subscription to be sent out to the customer by 1st of May. So let me select 1st of May. Then I will say apply. So it's going to send this by 1st of May. Billing cycle is fixed, and I've selected 6 times. It means this is going to be monthly for 6 months. If the plan or subscription plan you are having with your customers or client is more than 6 months, if it is 1 year, you put 12 there. So can you see number of billing cycles this subscription should be charged? Overrides the billing cycle. So you can see this. Auto collection lets you automatically attempt to charge a cost. So use this and set it as on, and that's how you need to do. If you come to shipping address, you can select same as billing address, right? If you do this now, it's same thing as billing address, and all you just need to do once you are satisfied with all this setup, right? The next thing you do is to, can you see that this has now changed to future because we selected 1st of May. So all we just need to do is to click on create to create this subscription. I'll click on create, and our subscription will be created successfully. Once I click on create now, the subscription will be created successfully. Can you see the subscription that's now been created successfully? If we go under subscription now, we will see now that we now have a subscription setup. Can you see subscription setup? The subscription is now successfully set up, and your customers will automatically get it. Your customer will automatically get it at the set date and at the set time. They are going to automatically get the notification and they will be billed. If you have the payment method of your customer, you can just click on add payment method here and add their payment method. Add card for this customer to collect payment if you have it. If you don't have it, you 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 don't need to do it. Chargebee will automatically send an email to them for the subscription because you've added them as a customer, and they will be able to click on the link there in their email address and add their card and make payment. If you want to add invoice note, you can add invoice note to display personalized information on invoices for this subscription if you want to do that. And that's all.
And just like that, you now have an automated recurring payment system running with Chargebee. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in my next video.